clamps so that I could like clamp each part here, and then the bottom piece, like I really need to get some clamps, like some more F clamps and all. So but this is what I had. So like creative clamping, it's quite fun to think how you can do it like another way. So what I did was so that I can get even pressure along this entire thing, so I use this caul type piece so that I can get pressure here. And what you need to do is like there should be slightly less material, like it should be kind of bent so there is more material in the center. So when you clamp from the sides, the middle part where the extra material is there, it presses this into place, acting like a clamp. And then what I did was I used my vise over here. This is quite heavy now, so I used my vise here and clamped the bottom pieces here like this, because the vise, it provides a really good clamping force along with these clamps. So I think it works really well like this. And so like I mentioned about that piece with the little more material in the middle, so I'll just show you how that works. So just loosen this clamp a bit, and now I'm gonna start tightening it. So you can see that because of the bend, it's like open a lot here and then close there. So once I start to, I can't do this one-handed, like with my camera in my one hand and clamp in the other, but I'll try. So as I tighten it, here, so you can see that the gap is closing up here like this, and then when you tighten it like so, the gap closes like this. It works very well in that way.